Depression is a toxic energy that does not belong to you. It's an energy that is external to you and can be removed and you can heal. What is depression? Depression is the response of the mind to mental pain. What is mental pain? When we lose someone, when somebody dies, when the woman or the man that we love doesn't correspond to that love in the way we want. When we have a broken heart and we don't want to live anymore because this person we love so much is not with us. There are other ways that depression comes from. However, as this doctor says, depression is called the invisible disease.
Here's Andrew confirming that his wife was battling depression and anxiety for years. But fashion observers realize she wasn't alone. In 2014, designer Loren Scott also took her life. Reportedly, she too was battling depression. Experts saying it's time for a serious discussion about mental illness and the toll it takes, particularly on women.
Depression has been called the invisible disease because there's not an X-ray we can do, there's not a blood test we can do, and so it is so prevalent and yet still so under-recognized.
Suicide rates among women due to emotional distress is on the rise.
Why? Because there is no lab test, lab analysis, blood analysis, or X-rays, MRIs, ultrasounds that can detect depression. Why? Because depression is a toxic energy accumulated in one of our energy centers. The heart, for a broken heart, the solar plexus, when we lose our power, we are under a toxic relationship, an abusive relationship that we cannot exercise our willpower to decide things in life. When we feel stuck in life, we are afraid to take decisions. Or most people have these huge energy blockages on the second chakra. When they try to numb this depression, this mental pain, by using alcohol, drugs, resorting to pornography, or strong prescription medications. Prescription medications weakens our body and our energy field. And these toxic energies that are lingering around us take hold of us. They are energy parasites that sucks our energy. Remember when you have a broken heart. Remember when we've been in love. What is the difference? The difference is this joy that we feel expanding in the middle of our hearts, or that pain in the middle of our chest that develops on sadness and depression. Why medicine cannot cure depression? Because we cannot see it. Medications are not the solution for depression, because medications can treat a wound. Medicine can treat a broken bone, or maybe a heart that is failing, or to remove kidney stone, because we can see that with X-rays, with ultrasound. But depression, we cannot, because we feel it and it's ruining our lives, affecting our lives. And there is no medication that can cure depression. The only thing that medications do is to numb the neurotransmitters, so we don't feel that pain, that mental pain, for a while. Now, would you like to live the rest of your life with a depression that threatens you all the time, with this chronic fatigue because of medications, dependent or addicted to a prescription medication, and when there is no solution? This is the reason all these celebrities and many other million people commit suicide, because they have these toxic energies sucking our energies, making us feel weak, physically weak, mentally weak. And we resort to these external things like medication, drugs, or alcohol just to numb the pain, because it's all that they can do. Healing depression means to remove the root causes of depression. When we have a deep emotional trauma in life, it could be abuse, sexual abuse, it could be a toxic relationship, the loss of someone. There is a toxic energy that accumulates inside of our bodies. And when this toxic energy is kept for a long time, form packs of energy, toxic energies in our heart, our solar plexus, or stomach, that pulls, drains our energy. What we do in energy healing is we find those energy blockages. It's very easy. I teach it to my students all the time. Find them and remove them. It takes a few sessions. When these toxic energies are removed from your body, depression doesn't have a reason to stay with us. These toxic energies are gone and you can move on in life. It's okay to take other types of treatments if you need to talk to someone to understand the situation. However, you need to understand that depression is a toxic energy that does not belong to you. It's an energy that is external to you and can be removed and you can heal. Please click on the link below. Give me a phone call, send me an email for a consultation or to book an appointment, and I will show you how depression can be healed. The invisible disease can be easily healed with energy healing.